welcome to All About. Today we're going to be talking about E77. I believe it's a little bit on the purplish kind of color. It is odd because it is a brown, but let's see what you think. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm Elena with violetaink.com, and we carry Copic Markers in the sketch series, nib replacements, ink refills, and also Prismacolor pencils in the open stock. Thank you. We are starting with E77, flicking away from the edge. Then we continue with E74 and E71. The natural family combination is one that I like for like worn wood, more cool tone, maybe antique clothes, something like that. The underpainting is going to be done with B34. On top of it is E77, then E74, and we're going to finish the blend with E71. Now, the bonus combination, this is a organic look. It's a warm brown. I would use this one for botanicals, for trees, for something that is alive. Even though we're using blue, for trees it sounds that it won't look good, but it will. E77 is a very strong marker, very pigmented. So B34 will be covered by E77. And we're finishing with E23. Maybe copper. Yes, I would use it for like pennies also. Anything with copper. The staining test. E77 is a very strong marker. It's not going to move, so don't make a mistake. That's pretty much all you can do. PC948 is sepia. This is from the Prismacolor pencil match, and it looks very cool. It's a cool brown, but it's the only one that would match with E77. For the bonus combination, you're gonna have to look for something else, some other pencil. This one is not gonna go with it. Now the natural family combination for the wings. On the left, we're gonna be using the natural family combination, and on the right, we're gonna be using the bonus one. On the top, we are flicking away from the body with E77. We continue with E74, and then E71 is not underpainted. The top wing is not going to be underpainted. There is a lot of combinations on the blog that I help write called Undercover. You can find it in the description box. You will find every week we release something new. You get beautiful graphics, and you can actually save it in your Pinterest. This is underpainted, natural family combination, E77, E74, and E71. There is also a new blog called Uncapped by Amy Scholke. It's on the website Marker Novice, and you're gonna see it also in the description box. It gives you a lot of details from every single one of Copics. I believe right now she already has maybe 50 out. It shows you the value, the complement marker, what to underpaint it with, how it layers. It has a lot of information. If you are like me that likes to investigate every single little thing about one marker, these two blogs are gonna give you a lot of info that then you can make your own combinations. This is the bonus combination. We are underpainting for the bottom wing. We started with B34. This is E77, E25, and E23. I colored this already like 3 times because I kept using the natural family combination on the right side, but I did it right this time. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button. This is all about E77. The natural family combination is E77, E74, and E71. Underpainting is done with B34. Bonus combination is E77, E25, and E23. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, put it in the description box and I answer as soon as I can. I will see you next week. Bye.